Gang. Yo, you see what we deal with today, gang? Yeah, man. Yo, this one is a treat. It's Tyler Gunna Skillibeng. Come on, we gotta check it out, gang. Now we'll be chat most longer. Tyler Gunna Skillibeng jump. Let's get it.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular.
Yeah.
Pretty for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You know, say you had no.
Hey, bombard. Original. Easy now, man. I'm like how they start off. Original blood clean. You wanna? Yeah, man.
Original girl, you want a replica? No.
Original girl, you want a replica. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie to you. Tyler is bad, bro. You feel me? Tyler's a bad, she bad as shit, boy. That's a fine ass South African girl right there, boy. I ain't gonna cap to you.
Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You
Ooh.
know, say you had no.
Tyler pretty for real, man. Pretty for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. Hey.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up.
Why? They say never bring a pretty girl from Joburg. You see me? They see her now, that they prefer. But that's facts. I ain't gonna lie to you. They be trying to make it seem like everybody from Africa are guns and some fine women in Africa. We all know that. You see me? But it's not very. It's rare they put them on stage and let you know you're real. You know what I'm saying?
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker.
Yeah.
Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter.
Yeah.
And my face can't make him feel weaker. But you know that my body is a healer.
Ooh, our body's a healer. Mama, come heal me. Come in.
I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top. You know I love to make it
Jump. Mama, come make it jump. We need a video for this, bro. You see me? I said big collab like that. We need video for this, Skilly. Come in.
jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top. You know I love to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. Gonna wanna know your vibe.
You know, yo, as much as Gunna is a snitch, bro, this man does have that vibe, bro. And that flow, bro. Can't even lie.
Oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the ring. Wanna give D.
Wait, what? Hey, what kind of fish thing this thing, brother? What you feel like?
Give D. I serve it.
What kind of fish? Gunna, remove from us so that make this stick jump. I want to put it in. Move up, bro. Move from us to that nasty American thing, brother. I'm telling brother, man.
Put it in the ring. Wanna give D. I serve it like a dealer. Gripping out though, while I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in Joe Bird, it couldn't feel no realer.
I don't know me. I'm to you.
Up every picture in a Polaroid. She a trophy, you know what? Maybe sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take your shit, she now stop.
Nasty batty boy, but baby sweet antenna like a sirloin. Go move France to nasty boy again. Hey.
Have a play with you, be a war.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But you know that my body
This guy making you feel weaker. Easy now, man. Woman pretty though, but I can't get weak. I feel like.
is a healer.
Healer, come heal me.
Jump, 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 jump.
Yeah.
Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top.
Yeah.
You know I love to make it jump, jump.
Yeah, bro. I think I wanna listen to more Tyler, bro. She mad pretty, bro. She South African, bro. You know what I'm saying? So she do Afro beats, bro. I still kind of like dancehall, cause Afro beats come from dancehall, bro. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, man.
Jump, jump, jump,
Yeah,
jump, jump.
man.
Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, top.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna listen more Tyler, bro. Yeah, man. For real.
You know I love to make it.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Pretty for real, I'm pretty pa my cellular. No. You know, say you had no.
Man, I wish Skilly should have a verse, but he killed that hook, though. You see, he should have a verse. Big man thing. Skilly to the bang. To them, man, while they want to argue about who's up next, who's gonna cross over and all these things. While them argue, Skilly is putting in that work, bro, and he cannot be denied. You feel me? The man track list, playlist, the man discography is crazy. You know what I'm saying? The man got feature from now, Thailand Gunna. Not only him have Busta Rhymes, Rich the Kid, Jay Critch, Nardo Wick. You feel me? And the list goes on, bro. You feel me? Skilly have some wicked collab, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, and people don't even realize that shit. I don't think people really think about that shit when they think I don't think they really calculate that stuff, bro. Real talk. No joke, because let me see what kind of features. You see me? I got, yeah, man, Nardo Wick, Thailand Gunna, yeah, Western. You see me? Well, don't know enough Shensia. You see me? Who else? Who I forget? Amari, Bibi. You see me? Like a lot of international, plus not only UK dance artists them. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, Skilly ain't out here doing this thing, bro. Yeah, man, Skilly ain't definitely out here doing this thing, and cannot be denied, bro. He's making the right moves. So Skilly keep making the right moves. Keep networking how you been networking. Keep linking how you been linking. Keep touring how you been touring. Keep making music, bro. And only thing I want from Skilly right now is more consistency, because he was more consistent when he was early in his career, when he was down here. But now since he's overseas touring and all that stuff, he hasn't been as consistent, not dropping as often. So if he can get if he drop as at least half as frequent as he usually be, he'd be in a different bracket. No joke. Even though he already is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Skilly, keep doing your thing, bro. Proud of you. Keep shooting for the stars. Keep shooting for the moon. Keep shooting for the sun. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Shoot as far as you can. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. You don't know your boy Jam Bisco. Like, go show the artist some love and support. Making us a Jam Bisco and send them. Make sure y'all drop your request, man. Let's chop it up. You don't know what time it is. Boy Jam Bisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.